How's it going, everyone? So today I'm gonna show you how to light a fire. So I have a bunch of dry things over here, a little more over here. Oh, this one as well. This one needs to go. There you go. So a bunch of dry things over there. More like this over here, and I just snapped it. Yes, that's right, my people. And I put it over here, and there's more. So we have more, a little bit more. Let me just snap this. Oh, and I have this, I don't know how to call it. I just know the Portuguese. And it's, louro. So there you go. Got it. Put it over there. We have still these ones and these ones over here in the ground. Yes. Hopefully we don't need those. No? Just like this. And let's see how easy is that. How easy is that, guys? Oh yes, and you'll see what I'm gonna put in there. Alright guys, let's appreciate this. A lot faster than I thought. Alright, let me put some more in there, and I'm gonna put some of these. Wow, that's hot. Okay, it's over there. This one. Damn. Alright, stay there. And then another one this way. Alright, that's good. Alright, I have this. Sorry guys, I need to film and also to put those things. So I'm gonna bring another one over here, and I'm gonna bring another one and put over here, so I can make calls, you know. That's just the reason. Alright guys, let's go. I'll see you when the calls is done. Alright guys, there's the update. So I put more pine, it's not needles, but I don't know, it's pine, so it's in there. Probably I'm gonna put a little bit more. Probably I can put some more charcoal or something like that. I have it over here, so I'm probably gonna do that, so I can have more coals, you know. So after that we're gonna do the fish. That's right guys, sardines for dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Put the coals and I put the bag and all. I put the bag and all. Yeah, I just put it over there, my people. So let's see how cool this can be. Let's go, guys.